I know it's still October, but I want to do something different. And I'm just doing a bit of sort of free form, nice and loose, let it go, just to enjoy it now. And I have been I'll finish. There's a couple of, I'll have to clean up these a little bit. I've been down with the flu now for the last week, so I'm not feeling the best, and that's more or less why I stopped doing the Inktober stuff. I just didn't feel like doing anything, and this is my first day out of, well, no longer sneezing and sweating, so I feel a lot better today. But I want to do something freeform and open and colourful. Want some nice bright colours. I think I need some bright colours. Where else would I do it? In here. So just bear with me now as I try and clean up this. About happy with that, you know. Could keep on doing this forever, and I don't think I'd ever be finished, to be honest with you. Yeah, I think that is it. I'm going to do bright colours now. I said that, and I think red is a nice one to use. So I'm going to finish this off first and stick my red in here. I'm just using ordinary markers here. Well, this is actually brush pen markers. And I'm trying to do it with a sort of a curve on it. I don't know if it makes any difference, but I just feel like doing it like that. This is enjoyable, actually, just this nice and relaxing. Just what the doctor ordered, actually. Don't have to be too worried too much about it. Just fill it in. And that's what this is all about. Let's enjoy ourselves. A little bit of colour. Little bit of enjoyment now that the dark nights will be coming soon, I suppose. At the end of October it'll happen. Yeah. I'm just doing red now on these fully enclosed objects. I'm sure I should be saying something at this stage. I'm not sure what to say. It's been like, it's amazing when you're out of it for a couple of weeks, not having done these for a while. You lose touch. And I like doing this totally free form and just have a little bit of confidence in myself and in the process that it will end up like something nice, not too complicated. I want to have a lot of white space now in this one. I don't want to fill up the whole lot. I want these colourful areas to stand out, so won't do too much on it. Like painting this, isn't it? Just except a cleaner way of painting. I'm not going to try any gradients or anything at all like that. This is just nice and simple. Anybody can do this. Okay. And I think this will be my last bit of red. Just in the intersection, I'm looking at this of two orbs. This is the intersection. I'll make that red, and And then I'll use some other colour close enough to the red. I'm not going to go for a huge contrast. I'm thinking maybe some sort of a reddish brown might go for the other two. This is experimental. I've never tried this before. And, well, I'm just going easy on myself. I'm trying to do something that I'll feel good about at the end. Yeah. I think that's sufficiently different. I don't know how it'll work eventually, but I'll just continue as it is now. And I'm going to try and give a little bit more of a curve on it. See if this will have any effect. I'm not sure how well curvature comes out on these, but we'll try it anyway. I feel we need a few other lines here. It's just too open, and I'm not sure if this will come out just right, but it's okay. Just want to close off a few and just let it flow. That looks about okay. We need to come out of here. I'm not sure how this will look. I don't think that's going to have a bulge there, I think. Look, it is what it is. I can't do anything about it. I'll just... it's a pimple. And over here, I think I'll come up from this one. Just put it in there. Just that I felt that there was too much... filling in these, they were just that little bit too big. I think I'll put a little circle down here. Yeah, that's nice. And I prefer things to be closed off this way. I'll probably just colour in these nice closed off ones. This is a big one. Which one points right, I think. The other one down as a... just bring it all the way down. Yep, that's nice. Okay, happy now with that. So, what colour we do here now? I didn't really mean to use brown here. This is too close to the red, but still, I've started it, so I finished. Having done those ones, you have to balance it now. You can't just leave the few of them up there. It just wouldn't look right. I'd intend to do something like a blue or a green. Not sure if this brown was a great idea. No, maybe red and brown, it might be alright. Not sure. Let's see now. No, I think we need to put in a different colour here now at this stage. We have to change blue. I'd like a brighter blue, but it's the only one I have. I don't have many markers. going to have to buy some more, I suppose. No, where the primary colours come out a lot stronger than these ones. These are a little bit washy. Then again, the Archibald things. And I'm just trying to put a curve on this, see how it goes. It looks nice. Yeah, I'm happy with that. That's yeah, I like that curve. That wasn't bad at all. Now, this should go out nice. Somewhat like an egg or something. I'm taking my time. I'm really nice and relaxed, which is great. Sort of a bit of a Zen exercise, I suppose you could call it. We should just take our time. There's no rush. And here we go. That's nice. You know, that looks like a graph up there. Wonder. Yeah. It reminds me of a graph. So I'll just put like a bar chart or something, statistics things. So I'll just try lines. If it doesn't work, I can always colour over it, I suppose. That's okay. Actually, it looks like some footballer's jersey, whatever blue and white is. Yeah, that's nice. I'm okay with that. I'm sorry, I think I've been a bit too close to the microphone there, probably blowing your ears. Bright. I think we need something bright. Yellow looks like a nice option here. I think we could put in a bit of yellow there beside the blue, between the blue and the red. I think it would look nice. Yeah, I'll stick this in here. Might have to go over this a second time to give it a good strong yellow. Actually no, it's coming out quite nice. Alright, that's fine. Don't know if I'll do embossing around it to give it a three-dimensional look. And this one, I think. Yeah. You know, I think just these two is all it really needs. I'll have another look at it when I finish this segment here. But this, I'd be happy enough with this. I'm always afraid that you overwork it. Like, I don't want to put in too much. Just want to have a little bit of colour and plenty of white so that the colour will stand out. This, I think, is sufficient. Do you know that? It's I'm happy with this. It's not taking long. Right? This is nice, relaxing exercise. As I've said, anybody can do this, no matter how beginner you are. You can get out markers. They're easy to use, very hard to go wrong, and you just draw lines. Like, what more could you want? Yeah, I'm happy with that now. That's grand. I know I'm going to regret doing this, but maybe another yellow. Okay, look. If it don't work, it don't work. It's that simple. So trying to balance that blue there and Right, you know what? I'm regretting it already. I can't very well stop here. I have to keep going. That's the worst about it. I should have stopped. If anything, I should have put in another blue down at the bottom. Same type, straight lines. Just finish the edge. Bit disappointed now what I'm doing. But you never know. It might look okay in the end. And as you know, I'm just taking me time on all of this. And you know what? I shouldn't be saying that I'm sorry I did this. I've done it, live with it, and work with it. Don't work against it, work with it. And maybe I put in this. This more like arcs. I'm really being experimental now. I feel that I've gone so far. I know I've overworked it, and I'm just doing this as an exercise. Let's see what it ends up like, because I've never done it like this before. And if people don't like it, so what? At least I went and tried something, which is the important thing. And let that be a lesson to everybody. A lot of things that you do don't turn out the way you want them to. No reason to throw them out or to say, that's all wrong. Actually, I'm beginning to like this. Not everybody's cup of tea, but it's different. It's just different. And as I say, if you don't like it, just pass me by. Because I've gained a lot from it, a nice bit of relaxation here today. I'm feeling sorry for myself with the nose stuffed and all the rest of those horrible things. You know what? I haven't thought about them at all. Well, this is it, all done and dusted, and as you can see, I wasn't too happy with those single lines, so I went over them again with the markers, maybe, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 times, just to try and get the colours a little bit more vibrant. And I'm very happy with this. I find this to be a nice uplifting piece, lots of bright colours in it, and just what I want in the middle of my blue, shall we say. Look, thank you for watching, and you're great to have watched it this long. And that's it. I will have another one for you in a couple of days. I don't think I'll do another one of these. I have a feeling, I have this thing that I'd like to go back and do some 3D line art with a little bit of shading and stuff like that in, but I'm going to do it free form again like this. I love this idea of free form, where you start off with a blank sheet and you've got no preconceived ideas of what it's going to be, and you just let your hand, you're not really even guiding it, you just let it go and take its own way around, and you'll produce something from that. It's a question of just having faith in the process, faith in yourself, and a little bit of confidence to just go out and do it. Okay, so thanks for watching. Until we meet again, Slán Tamil.